Hello, today we will guide you through how to publish Claude AI artifacts. To get started, open your browser and go to the Claude AI login page. If you're searching for it online, make sure you select the official Claude sign-in page so you land in the right place. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. This step is important because publishing artifacts requires access to your Claude workspace. After you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear correctly. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on Artifacts in the side menu. This is where Claude organizes artifact projects and lets you create, manage, and publish them. If you're new to the interface, the left panel is your main navigation area, so it's a good place to get familiar with. After that, click the New Artifact button. This opens the creation flow and lets you begin building something new. From here, you'll be asked to either choose an artifact category or start from scratch. Pick the option that best matches what you want to create. Choosing a category can help speed things up if you already know the type of artifact you want, while starting from scratch gives you more flexibility. Now type in what you want to create and publish. Be as clear as possible when entering your prompt, because the quality of the result often depends on how specific your request is. A short description can work, but a more detailed prompt may help Claude generate something closer to your intended outcome. When your prompt is ready, click the arrow up button to generate the artifact. Claude will then begin creating the result based on your instructions. Depending on what you entered, this may take a few moments, so wait for the output to finish loading before moving on. Once the results appear, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. This is the option that begins the sharing process for your artifact. Make sure you're happy with the generated result before publishing, since this is the version you'll be sharing. Finally, click the Publish Artifact button, or choose the option to publish and copy the link. Copying the link is helpful if you want to share your artifact right away with others, or save it for later use. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a Claude AI artifact.